Pagod ka na bang mag-commute papuntang work? If yes, try mo itong online work na nakita ko posted by a reliable person at dito, hindi ka mahihirapan sa work na ito kasi merong training na ibibigay sa inyo at may allowance pa. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Kath. I'm a social media VA. At dito, mag-hunting tayo at magbibigay ako ng mga ideya where to find side hustle, home-based jobs, ESL jobs, tips, tools, at lahat-lahat na nalalaman ko based on my experience as a VA. If you like this kind of video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated. The hiring position na pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay itong Tagalog Chat Sales Agent. Yes, you heard it right. Tagalog po ang lingwahe na gagamitin ninyo sa trabahong ito. At ang kagandahan pa dito is work from home. So, saan ka pa? Try mo na ang job na ito and check the following requirements.
Requirements that you need: laptop or desktop, minimum i3 Ryzen 3 8GB RAM and 512GB memory, with high-speed home internet connection of minimum 25 Mbps, typing speed of 35 to 40 words per minute. So, kung gusto ninyong malaman yung typing speed ninyo, you can practice online. Marami pong mga typing test online na makikita ninyo gaya ng www.typingtest.com. So, para ma-check ninyo or makapag-practice kayo upang ma-meet ninyo itong 35 to 40 words per minute. Computer literate or savvy kasi nga you will be working from home. If ever may mga technical problem na mangyayari sa computer ninyo or sa tool na ginagamit ninyo, mas madaling ma-actionan kasi in case like magchat-chat na kayo sa mga clients ninyo tapos nagkaroon ng problema, so marunong kayong simple troubleshoot sa computer or sa tool na ginagamit ninyo. At least high or senior high school graduate and with sales experience in any industry preferred. So, ma-either work from home or nasa office or corporate related job, pwede yon. Ano ba yung ginagawa ng isang sales agent or chat agent? So, a chat agent works with customers to answer questions and provide real-time support for their concerns. In this career, you may work strictly with sales or troubleshoot technical issues. Your responsibilities include responding quickly through live chat and providing courteous and professional customer service.
Iba't ibang company may ginagamit na app or tool or software sa pag-chat ng kanilang mga customers or clients. Gaya ng video ito, when I was a sales agent or chat agent, meron po kaming ginagamit. At dito din sa company ito, bago kayo isabak sa trabaho, meron po silang training. So, you will undergo 4-week chat at saka sales training. And what's good about this company is, with allowance na yung training ninyo at morning schedule din siya. So, yung basic pay ninyo, you will receive that once you pass the training. Meron din nakalagay sa pinost nila na information that automatically merong Sunday rest day for those LDS members. Now, how much is the salary? So, according to their post again, it's up to 70,000 commissions a month plus daily, weekly, or monthly incentives or SPIF or sales performance incentive fund formula So, it means that when you close a sale. So, aside sa basic pay ninyo, meron po kayong mga allowances or incentives na marireceive.
So, here are my tips for you na kailangan ninyo upang makuha ninyo yung mga commissions at saka mga additional incentives, like to be the best chat agent. First is communication skills. So, clear and concise communication is essential for understanding customer issues and providing accurate solutions. So, if ever hindi given yung mga responses ninyo sa mga clients ninyo, then make sure na marunong kayong makinig or magbasa ng maayos at intindihin kung ano yung concern or gusto ni client. Second is problem-solving abilities. Quickly identifying and resolving customer problems is crucial. So this requires analytical thinking and a resourceful approach to find effective solutions promptly. Third is empathy. Demonstrating understanding and compassion helps in building rapport with clients. So though chat lang yung ginagawa natin, hindi nila or hindi mo nakikita yung customer ninyo, dapat iparamdam pa rin ninyo sa customer na sila'y pinahahalagahan at mas nasisiyahan sa serbisyo ninyo if mafe-feel nila na you are very attentive at marunong talaga kayo makipag-connect sa kanila through chat. Technical proficiency, familiarity with the tools and software used in customer support is necessary. So it includes navigating CRM systems, chat platform, and troubleshooting technical issues that customers may face. So ito yon, as a chat agent, kaya nga, isa din sa mga requirements nila na computer savvy or computer literate kasi there are times na magkakaroon ng problemang ganito. And last is time management. Efficiently managing time allows agents to handle multiple queries without compromising quality. So ito yung dapat marunong ka mag-prioritize ng mga gawain at pagpapanatili na pagiging produktibo kahit nasa ilalim ng pressure. Gaya ng experience ko as a chat agent, like multiple clients yung mag-chat ninyo, even if marami kaming mga chat agent, so meron pa ring mga days or times of the day na maraming mag-chat, like around 5 to 6 customers ang re-replyan ninyo. Tapos, meron naman yung mga minutes or like dapat makapag-respond ka kaagad kasi if hindi, then magagalit yung customer na chinat-chat ninyo. So yun yung problema as a chat agent kasi magkakasabay-sabay talaga silang mag-chat sa inyo. Unlike yung sa call is one call lang talaga, hindi pwedeng sabay-sabay yun. Pero sa chat is may mga pagsasabayin talaga mo pag-reply yung mga clients. Tapos hindi pwedeng like around 1 to 2 minutes ka pa makapag-reply sa kanila kasi magagalit naman sila.
The company is Results Unlimited. It is a VA firm that supply cost-effective, high-quality virtual support from the Philippines. You can also check their Facebook page para lagi kayong updated sa mga hiring positions na pinapost nila. So, if you are interested to apply and you meet the following requirements that I mentioned earlier, then send your CV to their email. Ito po yon. I will also put this link or this email sa description box below. So, that's it mga hunter. It's another opportunity to all of us. Kung marunong ka lang mag-Tagalog and you have those sales skills at sa tingin ninyo na magaling kayo sa niche na ito, then it is really a great chance for you na mag-apply. Malay natin, ito pala yung niche na hinahanap ninyo. And you will find the company a great place to work with. So, if you like this kind of video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated. Also, follow our Facebook page at saka TikTok account for more hiring updates at saka tips. Thank you for always watching and happy hunting!